welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Katrina and my job is to help you speak and read Mandarin with confidence and joy. Do you feel sometimes you are a little bit burned out and feel like you had no motivation of learning Mandarin Chinese when you realize there are a lot to learn and you just feel that you don't want to? In today's video, we're going to talk about how to be more motivated to learn Mandarin Chinese or any foreign languages, speaking from my own experience and experience from my student. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, make it part of your routine. If you like to watch Netflix or you go to YouTube a lot or Facebook a lot or you use your phone every day, try to switch the language to Mandarin Chinese. It will give you more exposure to the language. So to schedule it and make it a routine. Number 2, give yourself a high five and don't compare too much of yourself to other people's progress. You don't know other people's learning journey, so don't compare yourself to other people. Don't think that why is this person speak such fluent Mandarin Chinese and I'm still right here at this level. Don't think like that. You have to give yourself a high five, encouragement, or incentive every time you did something good in learning Mandarin Chinese. For example, if you learn a word and you realize you know how to use this word in Mandarin Chinese, or you can make a sentence or a conversation, encourage yourself for that. If you want to get more improvement in your Mandarin Chinese, you can do this and say this to yourself. You can say, I want my Mandarin to be more fluent than I was yesterday. I want to improve my Mandarin. I want my Mandarin better than I was last month or last week. Compare yourself today to yourself last month or last year. You will find that you improve a lot if you study consistently. So don't forget to give yourself a high five, incentive, or encouragement. Say 加油，你可以的 every time when you did something, you learn something new in Mandarin Chinese. Number 3, combine your other interests with learning Mandarin Chinese. I'm sure you have other interests and hobbies other than learning Mandarin Chinese, right? So why not just combine them to get more exposure to Mandarin Chinese and also get more motivated? For example, if you like cooking, next time when you learn how to cook, maybe with YouTube video, try to find Mandarin speaking YouTube videos that teach you how to cook. Maybe cook Chinese food next time. You will get more motivated and more inspired in learning Mandarin Chinese. Or you like to sing, for example. Try to find some Chinese songs to sing and to relax yourself. Or if you like to watch movies on Netflix, next time try to switch the subtitle in Mandarin Chinese or switch the language in Mandarin Chinese. Number 4, find inspirations. You can try to find some other foreigners who are also learning Mandarin Chinese. Try to find their blog, try to find their YouTube channel, try to find their Instagram account. You will get more inspiration and see how other people's journey of learning Mandarin Chinese and how have they improved their Mandarin Chinese. It will give you some inspiration and encourage yourself and like, if they can do it, I can do it too. So this is my mindset. I know some people might think that if I see other people are improving their Mandarin, I would feel maybe discouraged because I'm not as good as other people. But actually, my mindset is different. Say, for example, when I was learning German, I would watch other YouTubers from Taiwan who's also learning a German language and see how they improve their language. When I see them, I feel like, oh, I'm so encouraged. I'm actually learning something from other learners who's also learning the same language. I know it depends on your mindset, but my mindset is always about I want to learn from people who are better than me. I don't really get jealous. If I see someone is better than me, I want to be as good as they are. So I try to learn from them, or I try to, be inspired by those successful people in my eyes. So yeah, that works for me. You can also find some other people who has a certain level of Mandarin Chinese and get inspired by them, see their language learning journey. Number 5, Find a supported group to learn Mandarin Chinese. You can go online and find some language exchange Facebook group or any groups or apps that you can language exchange with or give you more support in learning Mandarin Chinese. Take my students, for example. I have a Facebook group for my Smart Mandarin Academy student where I go live and give challenges to my students so they can practice their Mandarin Chinese. Also, they feel safe to ask questions inside the supported group. They don't have to worry about being judged or being called silly, stupid when they ask their questions. So go find a group that's suitable for you to improve your Mandarin Chinese. Number 6, find a language partner and practice Mandarin Chinese with your partner regularly. Yes, it is a really huge incentive if you feel like, oh, I can speak Mandarin to a local, to a native, and he or she can understand what I say. We can actually have a human-to-human conversation. It's very encouraging and very motivated. But I also know that there are a lot of people looking for a romantic relationship through language exchanging. So you need to set up a rule for your language buddy. Say, okay, here is the date, the time that we meet, and here is the rule. I practice Mandarin for 30 minutes. You practice, other languages for 30 minutes. So setting out a language exchange rule that is beneficial for both sides is very important. Do you have any other tips to motivate yourself in learning Mandarin Chinese? Let me know in the comments. And also, if you want to learn Mandarin Chinese with real tactics, make sure to click the link in the description. I have a mini course for you, 5 steps to your Mandarin fluency. Inside the mini course, I share how to improve your tone, your pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, and how to memorize Chinese character. Go check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and share this video to people who need it, and I will see you next time. 再见。